Allen Cooper is one of the fastest growing footwear brand of India, where even a centimeter square leather is checked, tested and discussed before processing. Vision is to become a leader in India footwear industry through a steady viable growth derived from the utmost customer satisfaction. Allen Cooper, the flagship brand which is owned, managed and run by Super House Group, a Rs 2000 crore conglomerate with its head office at Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. Super House Limited was incorporated in the year 1970, which is a true Indian multinational, producing and exporting leather footwear, safety footwear, accessories and ready-made garments to more than 55 countries, with marketing offices in US, UK, UAE, Germany and Spain. The group has more than 20 state-of-the-art manufacturing units in India, 3 overseas units and the pride recipient of Best Leather Exporter of the Country award for consecutive 3 years in a row from the desk of Honorable President of India, various other awards from Government of India and UP government. The group is also into education sector with various schools and institutions across Uttar Pradesh. The management team of Super House Group, under the leadership and guidance of its chairman and managing director, Mr. Mukhtarul Amin, achieved various milestones like it becomes one of the first Indian company to export safety leather footwear, the first one to make special din leather with German collaboration, started making uppers for export to UK and European countries, first to manufacture and export PU safety footwear. Mr. Mukhtarul Amin, the chairman and managing director of Super House Group, is a strong believer of fact that action speaks louder than words, as one of the remarkable visionary businessmen of our country. A look at his other achievements over the years. He is the chairman of Council of Leather Exports and Footwear Development and Design Institute, Noida. He was also in the governing bodies of Rajshri Tandon Open University, Allahabad and NIFT. Currently appointed as chairman of FEW ITI by the government of UP. He is also the chairman of Siddiq Faiz-e-Aam. Let's hear directly from Mr. Amin about the brand Allen Cooper.
Allen Cooper, we always believe to give trendy products maintaining highest quality standard, which are available across India at most competitive prices.
The team at Allen Cooper, with support of its CEO Mr. Yusuf Amin, is working with dedicated commitment towards expanding its strong presence across the country. Allen Cooper products are now available across multiple windows. The brand has number of retail stores across North India and this number is increasing quickly. All the stores are on prime locations with good connectivity. They offer the latest range of products and offers a very pleasant shopping experience to its customer. Allen Cooper products are also available across India with a strong dealer network and multi-brand outlets. We take care of the comfort of the customer in mind while appointing dealers in different parts of the country. Allen Cooper's products are also available on leading e-commerce platforms such as Flipkart, Snapdeal, Myntra, Paytm, Shopclues and many more. Allen Cooper has become one of the biggest brands from India, who has remarkable internationally with the hard and great efforts of its management and workers, assuring always the best quality products to their customer nationally and internationally. L N Cooper, your comfort partner.